Hello guys, so today we're going to be breaking the world record of the fastest Rubik solver in the world. I'm going to hold that record today. This is my first time of solving a Rubik Cube. Especially I'm solving a Rubik Cube, and today I'm going to try solving this. That is scrambled already by my sibling, so I'm going to try to solve it. I've never solved the Rubik Cube before. So let's just go into it. I don't understand how they do this pattern in this manner, but anyways, let's go into it. This is yellow, that is yellow, orange, green, and this is blue. I know, but I've watched some videos on YouTube that said if you want to solve it, you should just, this is a blue side, the orange side, red side, and white side. So I need to solve the white on this side, or the orange on this side, green on this side, and blue on this other side. I think I'm doing this white side already. Learning just two colors and doing this two white. White is all over here. I have to get this white from here to here, and this one from here all the way up here. I just made it worse. Because now there are now three colors to find. Solving a Rubik is hard though. What is this? The yellow has just solved itself. I'm trying to solve in the white here. Now I need three more whites here and three yellow here to complete this opposite sides. I think I'm getting a hand of this already. Solving Rubik Cube is actually difficult. I wonder how they solve it under 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. 2 seconds. I wonder how they do it under 2 seconds. Now I'm trying this white again. So the white is remaining. I saw this like this, remaining these two. But now the two aren't that far away from it. Because this is one white here, just to take it here, and this one take it. I think I can just turn it around. I would have done it, but I don't think this one can do that. It can't. This is yellow. Remaining just one. Taking, guys, this one yellow is over here. How am I supposed to get this from here to here? There's something confusing. Yeah, I think what I'm trying to do now is take this yellow up here. Now I surely got the yellow up here, but now the other two yellows are now down here. That's why I say the Rubik Cube is confused, so confusing. How is it supposed to go back? Even if I should solve here, I think when I'm trying to solve this other side, this is gonna just shuffle itself back. And my back is aching so much. This Rubik Cube is something that, but so many people take it as a profession. I don't get it. Mine is so stiff anyway. First, I think it's about $1. Yeah, I think it's all $10. I don't know. It's $1. This is $1 Rubik Cube. $1 Rubik Cube. It's so stiff. I just made a T out of this white side. Now, how will I get the other white here? Now watch, see this place, this yellow missing here, it's over here. Now I want to try and get this yellow to this place. I think that once it's like this, see the way it is now, and the yellow is here. For example, I'm taking it to this side. Now they are opposites. But if I'm trying to get it opposite from here to here to this place, then it's going to interrupt all this other yellow. Rubik Cube, I'm actually tired of solving it already, and I think I'm just going to look for something online that can help me solve this.
3 days later.
So after 3 days of searching for my platform, for the platform I used to solve the Rubik Cube, I finally found this one online. It's called Rubik's. I found this one online, and right now it's loading. Oh wow, it's here already.
I love this. So this is a Rubik Cube here, and we're gonna try solving this. Let's try and match the patterns with this one here, like this. Okay. Let's see. Let's cover first red on this side. Make comments. Oh, it doesn't come. It's gonna be like this. Touch red. This place is red. Okay, so in white, so I'll just pick white. One white is definitely up here, and another down here. Flip it over. Okay, that side is done. Again. Okay, this side now. So see there says so now look for the sides where okay these three, I see three oranges here. Maybe like three oranges and this. Finally, the Rubik cube has been solved. Solving a Rubik cube from scratch isn't easy, but with the help of this app called Rubik's, I think you can solve it. I think that's under 2 minutes. I solved the Rubik cube under 2 minutes. Even Ryan couldn't do it under 2 minutes. Easy. Peace out, guys.